Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I want to do a quick haul. I'm going to hop right in. I didn't want to do a voiceover, so let's just do what we have to do so I can show you guys what I have here. I did take advantage of Young Nail's haul and pick up some clear core powder. I'm not going to take them all out and unwrap them and stuff because it's just clear acrylic. But I did want to include them in this haul because I was excited to pick these up on sale. So I did get 4 of them. You guys know Young Nails rarely have, well, I don't think they have good sales, so I don't even want to say you guys know, but their powder and stuff is expensive. I do love their core powder, so I did pick up 4 of those. Also from Young Nail, I did pick up another protein bond. I keep saying I'm going to stop buying this, but it actually really is good stuff. But if Young Nails is watching this, like, you guys need to cut it out with the small packaging, and this is $10 for 0.25 fluid ounces. Like, this is, no, we need to figure out how you guys can come out with a bigger size that match the price, because listen, I keep saying I'm not going to buy it, but like I said, it is good stuff. So next I did get from Aliexpress. I did get a package from Aliexpress, and in that package I got, and I want to show my address, hold on, I got some nail stuff, and I was looking for some 3D flowers, and I found some, and these aren't as open as I wanted them to be, but they are very nice, and they're not, oh, I think I dropped one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yes, hold on guys, I'll be right back. All right, I can't find it. I guess I'll find it later, but 5 did come in here. I just dropped 1, and this is what they look like. They're very cute. So I did pick that up, and then they also had it in white. So I picked it up in white. It's almost like a cream color. And this is what they look like. Very pretty. And then I did get a, I don't know what this is called, acrylic cutter, but I got it in like the triangle shape. I gotta look and see if they have, this was about $1. I have been seeing this all over for $16, $24. Actually, Ibd Beauty has it for $24, and then you get the 60% off. That's still too expensive. So I did pick this up, and this was from Aliexpress. I have a bad habit of putting my stuff back in the packaging. If you guys hear any noises, I do have an ice machine in my little studio area, and it's making ice, so don't be alarmed. Next, from Aliexpress, I did pick up some Ibd Gel Builder. I want to see if this is anything like the Ibd Builder that I ordered from Amazon. Let's see if I can show you guys that real quick. I may be able to, yeah. So this is the one I ordered from Amazon, and this is about $18. Some sellers sell it for a little bit more. I love this stuff. You get a lot of product in here. I use this all the time. Just about every time I do nails, I am using this. And 56, yes, it says the same amount of product in here that it is in here. This was, like I said, $18, and this was about $3. I'm not going to open them because I already have one open. And because it was $3, I figure I will buy 4 of them, because it's like buying one more of these. That way I just have it in my stockpile. So I did pick up 4 of those just top is off. I did pick up 4 of these just to have, and if they work the same, then we are on to something. I would never be spending $18 again. The goal is to make money doing nails, not lose money. So I did pick this up, and it had great reviews. I will link it down below. I'm gonna just set that to the side. And then also from Aliexpress, I picked up some random things. I picked up some red, this is all from the same seller. I picked up some red rhinestones. I have a certain look in mind that I'm going to do with my press-ons, and I picked up 2 Rhinestone Pickers. These are so cute. Oh, yes, so cute. And it comes with the one that you can actually like sort the rhinestones, and then the wax sticks. Tip, I want to see if I can buy replacements for that, because I don't want to discard it once it gets used up. Yeah, so I got this from AliExpress. It's about $2.99, a really, really good price. I suggest you guys, if you're not in a rush to get your stuff, the stuff has been coming a lot faster from AliExpress than it used to. Like 2 or 3 years ago, you used to literally wait 3 and 4 months. I mean, some sellers do trip and you do have to wait, but for the most part, I get my stuff within 3 weeks. So if you need nail supplies, and I don't know why I'm trying to put that back on there, but if you need nail supplies and you're not in a rush, I would definitely hop on AliExpress and order what I need. And here it is. I do have some of the puff balls that go on the nail that are magnetic. These were $4 to 4, 6, 8, 10. You get 10 of them. I did order this to, of course, use on my clients, but also my press-ons. These are really cute, and yes, the magnet is strong because that wasn't even in the same thing. So yeah, this is nice. If you're looking for the puff balls, I would pick them up, because on Instagram they are like $5 a piece, and here you get 10 for $4. And this seller also had some full nail tips, so I picked up some. I only picked up 1 pack because I do have a ton of nails. I just wanted to see if the quality matched the ones that I've been getting from Amazon. These were about $6 a bag, which is not too far from what I pay from Amazon. And Amazon, I normally get my stuff the next day. So I just ordered this just to order. I doubt I switch over from Amazon to this seller to get my stuff, because this took like 3 weeks. So this was one thing that I ordered. And then also from AliExpress, I did pick up some more stickers. And I believe these 2 are very similar. So I'll give one away in one of my giveaways. But this was all from the same seller. I picked up some stickers, and this was a bundle of stickers for, I believe I paid anywhere from like $3. So it's like the drawing stuff, like the black and white stickers that are going around, that are very popular. So I did grab these because I didn't have any of these in my collection. So if you're looking for any of these, this is nice. This little bundle you get. I didn't pay more than $4 for all of these stickers that's in this pack right here that I'm showing you, and you get a variety. So I would definitely pick these up. And this one, oh, it's not the same. That one has color. So I will show you that. And then this one is almost similar, except these are like more colored. I thought they were different. So yeah, this is very cute. So I'll pick that up. And then last from this seller, I did get some stickers. I'm not going to take them out the pack because it's literally one sticker. It just has sayings like wow, clang, boom, hello, okay, zap, cutie, pop, boom, love, you know, little cute sayings that I can add to my nails whether I'm encapsulating or top coating with gel, and also great for press-ons. And also, this is not nail stuff, but it is makeup, and you guys know I love makeup too. So I picked up 4 lip gloss sets from MAC. I will be giving one away. I do wear a lot of lip gloss. I would love to show you guys like my updated beauty run with my makeup collection and everything, but I'll be giving one of these away. So I'll just show you guys what's in here. My next giveaway after I give away the beginner nail acrylic kit will be makeup. So someone will be winning this and possibly an eyeshadow palette with it. Well, I know I'm going to do an eyeshadow palette with it. So I don't know which one I'm going to give away, the gold or the purple bag. But MAC lip gloss has a special place in my heart. And I can't possibly use all these lip gloss. I promise you guys, if I do a beauty room tour and show you exactly what I have inside my beauty room, you guys will think I'm crazy, especially my lip gloss. I probably have over 100 brand new lip glosses and then maybe 25 that I'm currently rotating and wearing. So I'll show you what the gold looks like. And this is what it looks like inside. Very pretty. So I'll just randomly pick which one, the gold or the purple, but I will be giving one away. And when it comes time, I'll show you. When it comes time to do that giveaway, I'll show you guys what that is. I picked this up for myself and I was like, you know what? I'm gonna give one away on my channel because I'm sure they love lip gloss just like I do. So also I picked up, and I think this is the last thing. I picked this up from, if you have an Apple Watch, I picked this up from Amazon. I do have the Apple Watch in the size. My face is a, hold on, don't get me the lion, 42-44. So mine is like a rose color, so I did pick up this just to switch up. I want to get more into changing my band because I will literally wear the black band all the time, just being lazy. So yeah, I did pick this up. Maybe I'll switch and put this one on there for Mother's Day, which is coming up in 2 days. And this was really a good deal. All of these here, not this one, these here came in a set, I believe. Yeah, so you get a white, like a blush, or red. It did come with a black one too. It's on my island. I took it out. And here is one that's made of like Velcro and a deeper red, I guess you can say burgundy. Here, this was from Amazon. So yeah, I did pick that up. And then lastly, from Sally's, you guys know, this is my spray that I use to spray down my tips or anything that I need. I did pick up a backup one. You can find this at Sally's. A little bit does go a long way. It's about $10. So I picked that up, and I think that's it. Let me know down below, guys, if you like when I do smaller hauls like this, or would you like me to save stuff and accumulate it and do one big haul? I'm telling you, after I did that big haul, I had like a headache. For one, you have to put all that stuff up where it belongs. It's just too much. So I always had mail come in, so I figured I would do like a haul every week, possibly, just to be caught up, to show you guys what I have been picking up. So that is everything that I have.